to house number 4 in the 2024 Park City Area Showcase of Homes. Today, I'm excited to take you on a tour of this beautiful home located in the Mayflower community, surrounded by the Jordanelle Reservoir. Some of the home features that I think that you may enjoy on this home. This home was, number one, built by Greenlaw Construction. It's a little over 4,300 square feet with 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, 2 garage bays, and the views are out of this world. Sit back, relax, enjoy, and drop a comment down below on what you love best. And thanks again so much for continuing to like and subscribe to this channel so I can continue bringing you more home tours just like this. Also, if you are thinking about relocating, buying, selling, building a property here in Utah, my team and I hear from people like you all the time, and we absolutely love it.